Nutrients. We need to take foods rich in nutrients. Nutrients are got from the food we eat. நம்ம சாப்பிடுற சாப்பாடுல இருந்து தான் we get the nutrients. What are nutrients? Nutrients are compounds found in food, essential for our life and health. Why? Because it provides us energy. Where do we get this energy from? இந்த energy எங்கிருந்து கிடைக்கிறது? It is from the healthy food we eat. And where does it go and store? It grows and stores in the cells. What are cells? Cells in our body. They are the building blocks for our body. Just like how a house is built from the basement to a big building. These nutrients help us to grow. Like how you have grown from a small baby and become an adult. And also it helps in repairing our cells. That is, when old cells die, new cells are formed in our body. Nutrients are of two types, macro and micro. Macro means big. That is, it is found in large quantities. Large quantities அப்படின்னா it means நிறைய இருக்குது நம்மளுடைய சாப்பாட்டுல. They give us lot of energy and also help us to grow. அப்படின்னா என்னது? ஹெல்த்தியா இருக்குது, எனர்ஜி கொடுக்குது அப்படின்னாக்கா நம்மளுக்கு ஆரோக்கியமா வச்சுக்கிட்டு and also helps us to சின்ன குழந்தையிலேருந்து பெரியவங்களா ஆகிற வரைக்கும் it helps. There are three types of macronutrients. They are carbohydrates, proteins and fats. Micronutrients அப்படின்னா they are very small quantities of macronutrients are found in the food. ரொம்ப கம்மியான அளவுல micronutrients இருக்கு சாப்பாட்டுல. They help us to be healthy, ஆரோக்கியமா இருக்கிறது. They also help in protecting our internal organs, that is brain, heart, kidneys and all the other parts. It also helps in providing immunity from diseases. It is very important. They are of two types, minerals and vitamins. The proper intake of vitamins and minerals definitely will help us in protecting our body. அப்படின்னா நம்ம உடம்ப ஆரோக்கியமா டிசீஸ்ல இருந்து காப்பாத்தும். Carbohydrates. We are going to discuss about it. It is the main nutrient which gives us energy to do our work the whole day. நம்ம carbohydrates சாப்பிடுறதுனால it gives us energy கொடுக்குது and we can work the whole day. Carbohydrates in the food are of different types. They are starch, sugar and fiber. Eating good food alone will not help us. We also need to take some physical activities too to keep our body and mind fit. Some of the activities are walking, skating, running, jumping, cycling, skipping, and some yoga exercises too. The carbohydrates in the food gets converted into glucose by the digestive system and in turn energy. How does the digestive system work? In the digestive system எப்படி work பண்ணுதுன்னு பார்க்கலாமா? It is the food enters our mouth. Our mouthல we chew it very well. நல்லா கடிச்சு சாப்பிடுவோம். Then it enters our food pipe and from the food pipe into the stomach. Here the food gets converted into glucose. In the glucose, what will happen? It enters the blood. Blood it gets converted into energy, which this energy helps the brain, the heart, the kidney and other organs of the body. The fiber in the carbohydrates food helps in digestion. It supports digestion and also controls our cholesterol level. By eating carbohydrates, our stomach gets filled and it becomes full. Taking too much of carbohydrates is not good for our health. What will happen? என்ன ஆகும்? We will start gaining weight. குண்டாயிடுவோம். Which can lead to health problems like stroke and heart related problems. Heart problems எல்லாம் வரத்துக்கு வாய்ப்புகள் இருக்கு. Carbohydrates sources எங்கன்னு கிடைக்குது பார்க்கலாமா? They are rich in grains like rice, wheat, oats. ரைஸ்ல என்னென்ன பண்றதுன்னு பார்க்கலாமா? அம்மா என்ன பண்ணி கொடுப்பாங்க நம்மளுக்கு? She'll make இட்லி, தோசை, சாம்பார் ரைஸ் எட்ஸெட்ரா. வீட்ல என்ன பண்றாங்கன்னு பார்க்கலாமா? கோதுமை. அது we can make chapati, puri and also dosa out of it. Proteins is a macronutrient. Number first, we read about carbohydrates. Now proteins. Proteins help in muscle building. Sources என்னென்ன இருக்கு? எதுலேருந்து வருது நம்மளுக்கு? By all the pulses, milk, butter, cheese, legumes, nuts, meat, poultry, fish and eggs. இதெல்லாம் எல்லாம் சாப்பிடுவீங்க தானே? It's very good, healthy food. Okay, proteins இருந்தாதான் we will be able to do lots of activities. So please, to boost your immunity, நம்ம என்ன சாப்பிடணும்? நிறைய protein சாப்பிடணும். Earlier we saw the sources of proteins. Now we shall see the functions of proteins. How it helps us. Proteins help us to build and repair tissues. இதுக்கு என்ன அர்த்தம்? What is the meaning? See, tissues are made up of number of cells and it is the storage place of food. The food stored in it helps to build, means to make new cells if the cells are worn out. The proteins also help to make enzymes, hormones and other body chemicals. Proteins are important, very important. They are the building blocks of bones, muscles, cartilage, skin and blood. Building block means it helps to grow bones and muscles, cartilage, skin and also blood. Let us also see a few deficiencies in protein. That is குறைபாடு. Tiredness, you feel very tired, nausea, vomit வர மாதிரி ஒரு sensation, reduced appetite, you won't feel so much hungry. Then cramps. Cramps மசில்ல நல்லா ஒரு டைட் புல் மாதிரி இருக்கும். Earlier we read about carbohydrates, proteins, now fats. All these three are macronutrients. Macronutrients means large quantities of nutrients of these are present in the food. Foodla இது மூணும் நிறைய இருக்கு. There are lots of bad fats and good fats. How does it help us? Fats give us energy, provides us with lots of energy. It also absorbs vitamins A, D, E and K. Fats also helps in maintaining our body temperature. What is our normal body temperature? 98.4. So it helps in maintaining our body temperature. Sources. Sources of fat are milk, butter, ghee, nuts, meat, eggs, etc. We should all eat this in good quantity. Now let us look at the deficiency of fats. If you don't eat proper quantity of fat, you will have less growth, then there will be eczema of skin. இந்த பிக்சரில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா you will see some sort of rash மாதிரி பார்க்கலாம். Then obesity, குண்டு ஆகிறதுக்கும் சான்சஸ் உண்டு. Then fats deficiencyல slow digestion. If there is a deficiency of fats, there will be slow digestion and absorption of food. Ketosis is another kind of deficiency and less calcium absorption. Let us take a look at micronutrients. Micronutrients are two types, vitamins and minerals. They are, as the name says, micro means very small quantities are present in the food. There are 13 types of vitamins. Some of the important vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin K, vitamin B12. If you see in these pictures, you can see the sources of vitamin A. What all can you see in that picture? You can see carrot, you can see broccoli, you can see eggs. Then there is orange, citrus fruits, then coriander, etc. If there is a deficiency, means if the proper content is not there, then you will have a deficiency. Night blindness. Night blindness. Abdina, daytime they will be able to see well, in the night they will not be able to see. Vitamin C. If you see in the picture, you will see lots of citrus fruits like oranges, lime, garlic, tomato, banana, grapes, kiwi fruit. Then there is cabbage, coriander leaves, broccoli and red pepper. They are all rich sources of vitamin C. And the deficiency means if you don't take proper vitamin C content, then you will start bleeding in the gums. Gums is earla nariya ratham போறது. Then vitamin D. Vitamin D sources are eggs, cheese, green peas, coriander leaves. They are a rich source of vitamin D, and its deficiency is bone loss, muscle cramps, or weakness. Vitamin K. Vitamin K, there are lots of nuts in that picture. Then there are grapes, there are broccoli, there is walnut seen there. These are all the sources of vitamin K. And if there is a deficiency, there will be a delay in the blood clot. Meaning, blood if you get a wound and you are bleeding, then what will happen? It needs to clot, getti aganam. Then only the blood will stop. Otherwise, you will be only bleeding. Vitamin B12. You can see meat, chicken, prawns. Then there is eggs and milk. These are some of the sources of vitamin B12. The deficiency of vitamin B12 is depression. Mentally you will become very upset if there is a deficiency, and there will be also low energy. Energy level unku energy illama romba low ah irukum. Then there will be numbness. Or maruthu pona feeling on the skin is called as numbness. then there will be hypothyroidism and infertility. Cognitive decline, உங்க மூளையே ரொம்ப வேலை செய்யாது. Minerals is a micronutrient. They are found naturally in the earth. Earthலயே கிடைக்கும் நம்மளுக்கு, like, and they are very solid and are crystalline. பார்க்கறதுக்கு வந்து they look like crystals. Let us look at a known few minerals. They are calcium, iodine, zinc and iron. If you look at the pictures, and the sources of calcium are wide. Just look at the vegetables and nuts and all seen there. Then iodine. What are all the food rich in iodine is seen on the picture. Then zinc. Zinc is also a mineral, and these foods which are there in the picture are very rich sources of zinc. Then there is iron. Iron content is found in some of the vegetables seen in the picture. They are meat, liver, broccoli, some nuts, etc. Do you all know the importance of water? Do you take regularly water properly? If not, please do so. It is one of the main components of our human body, and it helps us in so many ways. Nearly 65% to 75% of our human body is water.